Ever thought about turning your Notion page into a stunning website in just seconds with cool scroll animations, hover effects, and fully customizable styles? Meet Arco. Let's say you're building a portfolio website. Edit your content in Notion, publish the page, copy the link, and head to Arco's Discord. Drop it in the Notion to Website channel using the Gene Notion command, paste the link, and hit send. Not into Discord? No worries, use our web app instead. In just a few seconds, Arco generates your site. Hit publish, grab the link, and share it with the world. The same goes for personal websites, event pages, startup landing pages, or even eye-catching newsletters to boost email clicks. You can tweak the text, swap images, or simply type what you want and let AI handle the rest. With Arco, building a beautiful website is easier than ever.